Amid the 2021 crypto boom, prominent figures such as Kim Kardashian, Floyd Mayweather, and NBA Hall of Famer Paul Pierce enthusiastically endorsed a cryptocurrency known as EthereumMax to their vast following. The result? A frenzy of investors flocking to buy the coin, only to witness its value plummet dramatically, causing substantial financial losses. In a recent development, U.S. District Judge Michael Fitzgerald of Los Angeles has refused to dismiss a class action lawsuit against these celebrities, alleging their deceptive promotion and profiting from false claims about the coin's worth. This case, beyond marking the end of such schemes, serves as a stark indicator of the alarming surge in celebrity-backed online crypto and non-fungible token, or NFT, scams. In response to this growing concern, CMTrading, an online trading company, is issuing a heartfelt warning to all potential investors, urging them to exercise the utmost caution when encountering unsolicited cryptocurrency offers, regardless of the celebrity association. Welcome to Coin Radar. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Numerous cautionary tales. Consider the tale of Kim Kardashian, who initially touted EthereumMax on her Instagram platform, propelling the coin's market cap to nearly $250 million. Yet by late 2022, its value had dwindled to near worthlessness, leaving investors with negligible returns. Larry David is facing legal repercussions for his involvement in a Super Bowl ad promoting a now bankrupt crypto exchange called FTX. Matt Damon's commercial for Crypto.com lured in an influx of investors, only to see them lose approximately 60% of their investments. Similarly, other celebrities who ventured into the NFT market and hyped it as the next big investment opportunity found themselves in financial distress. YouTuber Logan Paul openly admitted to losing nearly all of his $623,000 investment in an NFT, which had dwindled to a mere $10 in value a year later. Justin Bieber also suffered a substantial setback, losing $1.24 million on a Bored Ape NFT purchase. Their experiences sparked a chain reaction, inspiring others to follow suit, often resulting in substantial financial losses. An unregulated frontier. Fred Razek, chief trading strategist at CMTrading, has consistently emphasized the risks of cryptocurrency's unregulated nature for those seeking quick profits. The vast disparity in coin values, ranging from mere cents to $60,000, can be unsettling for traders. It lacks the stability of clean money and feels more like hype, he cautioned back in 2022. Subsequently, his warnings have been repeatedly validated as celebrity-driven hype continues to send new cryptocurrencies soaring in value, only to crash in a classic pump-and-dump pattern due to the absence of intrinsic value to sustain prices. Celebrity involvement raises red flags. The involvement of celebrities in promoting cryptocurrencies inherently raises suspicion, according to CMTrading. Legitimate cryptocurrency creators typically pursue a conventional path, advertising, building a dedicated community, and demonstrating tangible progress towards real-world applications. However, celebrity endorsements suggest backers are primarily interested in artificially inflating short-term value. The rise of fake celebrities. This situation has taken a disconcerting turn, with cryptocurrency creators no longer relying on actual celebrities for endorsements. Why pay a star when you can replicate their likeness, create countless online advertisements, and promote the coin that way? Some individuals might even receive unsolicited online messages from imposters claiming to be celebrities, offering a chance to invest in their cryptocurrency by downloading an app or making a simple online payment. Protect yourself. Many celebrities excel in fields far removed from crypto and financial investments. Their knowledge in these areas should not be considered gospel, and their involvement in commercials is often driven by ignorance rather than expertise. Any unsolicited investment offer should be met with skepticism, and individuals uncertain about its legitimacy should seek advice from a financial advisor. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.